My name is Eric Tucker, and I cover the FBI, Justice Department, and National Security for the Associated Press. And this is going to be a historic and extraordinary week ahead in the United States because this is going to be the first time ever that a former president has arrived in court to face a judge for his own criminal indictment. We are expecting former President Donald Trump to fly from Florida to New York City on Monday in anticipation of his arraignment in New York Supreme Court the following afternoon. We're then expecting him to return to Florida the following night on Tuesday night to address supporters at Mar-a-Lago. This is going to be a truly unprecedented moment. New York City is, of course, bracing for the potential security concerns surrounding the arrival of Donald Trump in court. Nothing like this has exactly happened before. Last month, when he warned that his arrest was imminent, he encouraged his supporters to protest that decision. He has been slightly more muted in terms of his encouragement since then, but there are supporters who have made clear, including members of Congress, that they intend to be in New York. The arraignment itself is going to be fairly pro forma and mundane. At an arraignment, a defendant will have the opportunity to enter a plea. We expect Donald Trump to enter a not guilty plea, and he will hear the charges read against him. The other significant moment will be the unsealing of the indictment itself, and that will give the American public the first glimpse of what the charges actually are, how many counts, how many felonies, and what the Manhattan District Attorney's Office intends to show and prove should this case move forward to trial. This is going to be a really extraordinary mix of legal and political issues that we'll see in the country. Obviously, there is the legal case that's unfolding in New York, where we will learn more details about that prosecution of Donald Trump, that unprecedented prosecution, what sort of prison time he could face if convicted, if any, how many charges, how many counts. And so that legal process will exist on Tuesday. But by the same token, there's, of course, this parallel political proceeding where we can expect the former president to try to paint the prosecution as politically motivated and try to rally support from his, large base of supporters and try to mine this indictment for his own political gain. And so those two proceedings will be happening simultaneously, really making this week something that we've never seen before.